Welcome, my divas and dons, to D.A.E TV. I want to thank you for tuning in, and today we're bringing you a video from the Divaz Stylez Corner. Yes, it's your girl Marlo, good to some, satin rose to others, beauty, fashion, and entertainment. And D.A.E TV is all about uplifting the queen in you. So, we have everything from making you laugh to yoga, cooking, web series to clear your mind, some drama, all the good stuff here on D.A.E TV. But today we're going to get into Divaz Stylez, all about the fashion. So I want you to stay tuned. I want you to also like, comment, and subscribe. Please, and comment. Tell me what you think about the channel. Tell me what you want to see. Tell me what you want to hear. Because guess what? I'm going to bring it to you. No cut cards. All the time. So, spread the word about D.A.E TV. And let's get into the content. Products that I'm about to show you were not made from me, okay? I do custom design, but the material was kind of thick. I'm feeling this right here. I'm loving this right here. Okay, now this is why I decided I'm about to cut a lot of the stuff that's on my site off, because after ordering all that stuff and half of the stuff I didn't like the way it fit, I'm not selling it to y'all. But the stuff that I created is fire. No cut cards, baby, and it fit right. Now, there's certain pieces that I will keep that is essential to have in every woman's closet. Now, this right here, I'm loving this skirt. This is from a vendor, and I'm just trying to sift out to see what vendor is best for me and my brand, okay? But I'm loving to create my own shit. See? Pop that on with that, paired it up with that. We can pop some heels on, even if he has some cute little like sandals, anything. Dress it up, dress it down. We can dress it up by, you already know, statement piece jewelry. We got this. But yeah, I'm loving my shit. Oh, let's check out some more stuff from Divaz Stylez that I created. Okay? Yes. I am loving this Divaz Stylez. Artistically, there we go. Yes, but you already know. The next time you see this and I bring it on, it's going to be the before and the after. I'm going to have to crush that out with some Syraki crystal, bling out the name Divaz Stylez, because you know all we do is bling bling, baby. Bling bling bling. Okay. Final decision. I'm done with the vendors. I'm my own vendor. I'm my own vendor. The story behind this graffiti is this famous wall that I've always gone to, and when I was there, I took a picture of my camera. I said, I really want to bring this to life. And that's what I did. And I brought it to life on some clothing. It hugs the body, right? Even the pattern is at the bottom of the leg. It's so comfortable. It's so soft. Like, my brand is better than these vendors. Like, no, I'm about to revamp the whole page, y'all. It's about to be a do-over for Divaz Stylez. For Divaz Stylez. Okay, I love this one. I love it, yeah, not because I made it, but I love it because, like, it's so soft. It's so comfortable. It's like when you just want to rag out, you going out and chilling, the jeans, a little sweatpants or something. I just got on some polo shorts. And it says, play your cards right. What's that back there? Play to win. Yeah. That's what we doing. We playing to win out here in this game of life. You feel me? So you better play your cards right. Play your cards right. Yes, another Divaz Stylez collection. Yeah, y'all know I love my music, right? So I had to put the notes and keyboards all over there. Let y'all know how much I love my music. But guess what else I love? Damn. Yes, people, them stilettos, because you ain't a diva if you can't walk in some stilettos. But yeah, I love how it feels, the material, and it hugs you. Oh, look how it hugs the body. Ow. Y'all better stop sleeping on Divaz Stylez. Look at that. Look how it hugged the back. I just drew it down. Oh, another Divaz creation. I love how it feels. And the colors came out so vibrant and so pretty. Now, one thing I can say about these dresses, you can wear them all year round if you know how to freak it the right way. Because you know us with the knee boots, it's just like it fits so freaking good. Now I just seen some girl wear some summer shit in dead winter when it's snowing outside. So I already know how we do. The right shoes, you be knowing what you doing. You be like, But your girl been losing weight. So happy when you be eating nothing but vegetables. Yeah. Hey. It's part of the lip work collection with Divaz Stylez. Oh my God, yes, I'm cutting off all the vendors because this. Yo. I got a lot of movies, so I gotta pull them up a little bit. Ow. Yes. Dress it down, dress it up. Y'all know how we do. The lip work. Yeah. I know I love my graffiti. I know y'all seen this one before because my girl Tiara Crystal is wearing it on my webpage. But I had to see how it looked for all of this. Not this. See how it feels. And I'm loving the feeling. I really am loving it. And I know y'all love it too. Just everything that's on there, everything I create can be dressed up and dressed down. It's just wearing art. And I'm an artsy fartsy. I wear art. No matter if you like it or not. I'm a trendsetter. Okay, I didn't pop that so it works. Okay, y'all know what I'm selling. Okay, another Divaz Stylez dress. Nothing like the Diva. Yes. Now remember what this looks like. You can buy it originally just like this. Or the next time you see it, it's not going to be just like this. I'm going to show you the original way, which is this. First creation. Then there's the second way, which is the remix something serious. But guess what? It can be remade again. So instead of you buying it directly from the site, you will order through me and we can custom design it just like you like it, just like you see yourself in it. And you ain't got to worry about going to the club and be like, oh my God, she got a Divaz style dress on just like me. No, because your shit gonna be original, boo-boo. Because that's how we do it here at Divaz Stylez. See, look at that. I come to you one way and I walk away. But I am. And this is the last one. The reason why I did this video is because when I sat here for 2 months waiting for those samples to come in, I'm thinking, oh my God, this stuff is going to be so amazing. And out of all the pieces I got, I was only pleased with 2 pieces that came in. 2. Which really is sad to me because that means my customers not going to like me when they start ordering this spray. So now that I've been buying on most of the stuff that's on the site, I'm about to go back and like cut everything off, and it's going to take time, but I'm going to start with series of stuff from my own line, because compared to the stuff I showed you at the beginning of the video, the quality was poor, the fabric didn't feel right, the picture looked nothing like the product, okay? And that's the chance you take when you want to be able